Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about some tricks in inorganic chemistry. Here we know anhydride plus water we will get acid. So basically before going to this I will tell what is anhydride. When we remove water from acid we will get anhydride. Getting? I will tell tricks regarding this. Oxidation number of anhydride is always equals to oxidation number of an acid. Here we will first find oxidation number of sulfur. Here SO2, total charge is 0, so we will put equal to 0. We have to find now oxidation number of sulfur. We will put X. We know oxidation number of oxygen is -2. X plus -2 into 2 times you will get X is equals to 4 plus 4. So oxidation number of sulfur in SO2 is plus 4. Get it? Now SO3 equal to 0. Total charge is 0. Now we have to find oxidation number of sulfur, and let it be X plus -2 into 3 times 0, X -6, put it equals to +6. Get it? We will know main acids of sulfur is H2SO4 and H2SO3. Here oxidation number of H2SO3 is +4 and H2SO4 is +6. Get it? Now here is our awesome trick. Anhydride plus water we will know acid. Oxidation number of anhydride is always equals to oxidation number of acid. So here anhydride is our SO2, oxidation number is +4. So here H2SO3, H2SO3, that is +4. Here H2SO2 is equals to SO3, oxidation number is same. SO3 oxidation number is +6. We will know anhydride oxidation number is always equals to acid. So here H2SO4 is +6, SO3 is +6. So acid must be H2SO4 +6. Getting? This is you can apply for any anhydride plus water acid reaction. Getting? Now we will solve some examples. Here is our second example. We will know N2O3 plus H2O. Here in N2 oxidation number is +3. So which acid you have to write here? +3 acid, HNO2. Getting? Next N2O5 plus H2O. Here oxidation number is +5. You just have to write HNO3. Getting? Here NO2 oxidation number is +4, but +4 is absent in that. So what will we do in this? You have to just do one thing. You have to add plus greater than +1 and less than +1. Here +5 is there, so we have to add HNO3 plus HNO2. Here +5 is there and here +3 is there. Here we solve example. Cl2O is an acid of which? So we know very well anhydride oxidation number of anhydride is always equals to acid. So you just have to find ClO2 Cl oxidation number. Here ClO2 oxidation number is +1. So you just have to find where the oxidation number is +1. Here is +3, +5 and +7. Here is +1. So answer is this is correct. Getting? Thank you. Please do subscribe, like and